The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the highly anticipated successor to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, is expected to make its debut on January 22, 2025, during Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event. Building on the success of its predecessors, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature a slightly larger 6.9-inch display, enhancing its already impressive screen size and offering an even more immersive viewing experience. Under the hood, the device is set to be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM, ensuring exceptional performance for demanding tasks such as gaming, video editing, and multitasking. The camera system is also expected to receive significant upgrades, with a 200-megapixel main sensor taking center stage, supported by ultra-wide and telephoto lenses that promise to deliver versatile and high-quality photography in various conditions. The device is anticipated to include a 5,000 mAh battery, maintaining the robust battery life users expect, along with 45W fast charging support to minimize downtime. These hardware enhancements are complemented by sleek design refinements, which will likely set new standards for flagship smartphones. In terms of storage, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to start with a 256GB base variant, with additional options available for users requiring more capacity. The price for the entry-level model is projected to start at approximately €1,449, placing the phone firmly in the premium tier of the smartphone market. With these impressive specifications and its position as Samsung's flagship offering, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is poised to be a dominant contender in the high-end smartphone market, appealing to tech enthusiasts and professionals seeking cutting-edge innovation.